Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make baklava my way. I'm also down at Surfers Paradise on the Gold Coast, so check out my view. Isn't it beautiful? And there's the beach. So let's go and I'll show you how to make it. I'm in the kitchen and I'm about to make the sugar syrup first so it can cool down. So I've got 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water, and I'm going to add some lemon juice and some lemon rind and a little bit of vanilla essence to the sugar syrup, and I'm going to cook that for about 20 minutes on a slow simmer. Okay, lemon zest and a squeeze of lemon, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to sit to the side and let it cool while my baklava pastry is in the oven. And meanwhile, I've got the sugar syrup cooking on the stove there. I am going to blend up and pulse some pistachio nuts, but you could use any nut that you'd like for this baklava. So I'll do that now. Okay, here is my pistachio nuts all blended up, and I've got some sugar to mix in there with it when I sprinkled on the pastry. And I've got my FILO pastry here. I've taken it out of the freezer and put it in the fridge overnight to defrost, and before you use it, take it out about an hour or so before you use it to make the baklava, so it's all easy to cut and stuff like that. Okay, I have my pastry out and ready, and I'm going to cut it to size. I'm using a round dish, but you can use any dish you'd like. And I've got my melted butter here, 1 cup, and I'm going to firstly butter the pan first. Make sure you coat it evenly, and make sure it's coated everywhere with lots of butter. First layer on, and I'm going to make sure I put lots and lots of butter in each layer. Lots of butter, make sure it's everywhere. Next layer on, and smothering in butter. Then I'm going to sprinkle some pistachio and sugar over it, and then I'm going to do another layer. Okay, next layer of pastry. There you go, and then butter. Just press it down a little bit, and butter. Okay, I'm going to continue layering and putting nuts in between with the butter on the pastry, and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, there it's all done. I'm going to cut it into little diamonds, and then I'm going to bake it in the oven on 170 for 40 minutes or until golden. There it is, all cut and ready to go in the oven. All cooked. Now it's all cooked and out in the oven. I'm just drizzling the syrup over the top. If your syrup goes thick, just put it in the microwave. I've also added some maple syrup to my syrup, and I'm just going to pour it all over it. So the syrup has been poured all over it, and I'm going to let it cool completely and then enjoy a piece. So how easy was that, guys? So how was that, guys? I hope you loved the video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers!